y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
Full flag.
YouTube. So I did a washing style last night. I got my mink mix. Alright, finally got it. Now if you're in the wave game, if you're in tune with the wave game, okay, you already know what it's about. Alright, what I want to do basically, I'm going to get a session in. I'm going to try the mink mix. And I'm going to see what to make my hair do. Alright, I'm going to get a little softy session in first. Then I'm going to apply the mink mix. Probably use a medium soft and then soft. And then plastic bag and lay it down. So we're going to see what happens, man. Let's go. I really hope the mink mix works for my hair, okay? I really do because, man. Let's go.
Full flag.
Alright, you guys, so I got my little softy session in. Finna apply the mink mix. Let's hope it works. Now that I applied the mink mix, okay, I'm gonna use my medium brush, then my soft brush, and then lay it down with the lay down G. Alright, so we're gonna see what my hair look like after that process. Let's go.
Full flag. So I'm about to rag up my Wavykid toe rag. Finna see what my hair look like later. I gotta cut some hair. So after those cuts, I come back and show y'all what it look like later. If y'all want this do-rag, y'all can go on the Wavykid Use my discount code Wavykid15 at checkout. Get you some money off. Get you a fire do-rag. Not too big, not too small. The straps not too wide. Nice, perfect do-rag. Lay your hair down. Crazy designs on it. You feel me? This one's the South Beach. Yeah, that's basically it. My initial thoughts on the mink mix. Okay, I like the
The texture of it feels like a moisturizer, even though it's technically a butter. It don't feel as much. It don't feel exactly like a moisturizer, but it feels more of a moisturizer than a butter. The smell, I didn't expect it to smell as good as it do. A lot of people say it smells real natural, so I was expecting like an outside type of smell. It has like a lemon smell to it. I mess with it. Y'all see how I made my hair look? I seen the difference when I put it in. You definitely gotta rag up and let it, you know, adapt to your hair. Let your hair adapt to whatever's on top, which is the silky do-rag. Alright, so we're gonna see later how my hair look. But yeah, so far so good. I'll see y'all later.